So pretty much it's still the same information that you see in here. You'll be observing here how the altitude is fluctuating. Do you know why this altitude is fluctuating? Like our real altitude is 135, but here it is fluctuating between 131 and 137. Anybody knows why this altitude is fluctuating?
Atmosphere errors.
So atmospheric interferences might interfere with your measurements. So this room here.
Atmosphere.
Also, if you're outside, the tall buildings or tall trees may interfere with your measurement. That's why you're having this fluctuations. Also, you can have GPS errors that will affect these values.
Can I ask something?
Yes.
Why it turned to gray?
Yeah, the gray color is the satellite that's not being in use.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and the higher these values here, the signal, the better for the position fix.
So the numbers are signals?
Yeah, the numbers are signals, but this ones here is the satellite number.
Oh, okay.
But these ones are the signal strengths.